The last 13 or 15 years of my life I've been running an organisation called Victory Boxing. I was deputy principal at Victory Primary School and we're dealing with some young guys down there, about 20 kids at the time, and they were awesome young guys, but they were getting up to putting their energy into some bad places. So after trying heaps of different things to try and get them a bit more even them out and a bit more positive. We tried lots of things, but some things worked, some things didn't. And so we tried something different, and we asked them, what do you guys want to do? And they said, boxing. So we went, all right, okay. And I love boxing, I've always been interested in boxing, is a sport I love. So yeah, we started, we had 20 kids. It was back in 2011. So now, all this time later, we're about 500 kids go through a year. And all different types of stories, but the main common thing is that people are just trying to find themselves and just want to try and feel good about who they are, so it takes a really safe but strong place. So whether we've got actually a young fella going off or a young lady going off to fight in a boxing tournament, or it might be some young person in their fights just getting up in the morning and facing the world, or whatever it might be. So yeah, it's just a place where you leave feeling better than when you arrived. That's the whole purpose of it. Because you're often working with people at their most vulnerable. It's at their most vulnerable. It's at people with Parkinson's. It's the most unwell they've ever been, and as you get unwell, your world gets really small. So that connection's so vital. So the whole place has become like a massive whānau for everybody.